Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to auto type in Notepad. So firstly open Notepad. Now type this command set wsh shell space equal sign space w script dot create object. Now type inside w script dot shell. Now type this second command w sh shell dot run space notepad. Now enter w script dot sleep space 100 and enter wsh shell dot send keys. Now space and type inside any letter or any sentence or any word which you want to run automatically on Notepad. Like I want to this word automatically. And if you want to more sentences, so type this one and enter and change any another letter which you want to use. So only you need to copy and paste these two lines and change sentence, word or letter in here. Now click on file and click on save. Now give the any name like test.vbs, but you must type in the last .vbs and save. Now open this file. So as we can see, this written automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.